For today's video, we are going to make Choco banana cake. Ingredients needed: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 bananas because very small, 2/3 cup of water, 1 cup of brown sugar washed, 1/2 cup of corn oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and chocolate brittle, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 eggs, chocolate powder, 1/2 cup, and 1/2 cup of powdered milk. First, we are going to smash the bananas. Then set aside. And we are going to mix the wet ingredients. We have here sugar, water, beat the eggs, then the salt to dissolve, the oil, mix well, then the vanilla extract. Mix well to dissolve the sugar and salt. Next, then sift the flour. Add the baking powder, baking soda, also the milk powder, and the chocolate powder. And stir. Mix well until combined. Add the remaining water. If you see that the butter is smooth, then add the banana. Then prepare the pan with parchment paper. Pour the butter or the mixture. Then sprinkle the chocolate brittle. Tap for 3 times. And bake it in a pan, preheated pan. In 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now here comes our banana cake. Choco Moist banana cake. Here is our Choco Moist banana cake. Let it cool. Now we are going to taste our Choco Moist banana. Here comes our Choco Moist banana. Very soft. It looks like yummy and delicious.